somewhere here at the farm. So I want to check out this bird's nest. I don't know what is with this thing and the birds, but I'm just making sure they're staying in a nice place. I don't know. I'm just enjoying watching birds and stuff. But as you can see, I don't even know what kind of birds is this one. But this looks like an old nest. Maybe you guys can tell me the name of this bird. You see it? Right there. What's the name of this bird? Who is that? Oh, it's still up there. Oh, this new nest and still some old nest. So I came to this tree and it went to that other tree. Check these two. Guys, what's the name of these birds? Okay, I can't see them now. Oh, there you are. Oh, it moved again. Okay, but no, it's okay, guys. Just checking up this bird's nest. Love spending time in the bush. It's been a while.